But it may just be genetics as well. Some people are just more prone to wax buildup.
You've got small ear holes?
Yeah, I've seen smaller. It is slightly narrow, but I wouldn't say that's the cause of the wax buildup. When the wax is this deep, it's unfortunately self-inflicted. It's cotton bud juice, unfortunately. That just forced it further in. Impacted.
You put olive oil in, didn't you? To try and loosen it up a bit.
Feel it come out in a second.
Oh, geez.
Is that better?
I forgot what it's like to hear. Is there still more?
Let's have a look. Just slide towards your left shoulder, just
Like that?
so if you look straight ahead for me.
Like that?
Yeah, and I'll just position you there. We go. Let's have a look. Yeah, I've got the majority out. It's just a bit of wet wax around the edge. It's not significant. I will try and get that out for you. Yeah, that's...
Wow.
The wax removal should really alleviate a few of your symptoms. So there's a bit of soft wax superiorly, so that means the top part of the ear canal. So I'll just put a little fine end gauge and we'll remove that for you. So you can actually tilt your head slightly again.
That way?
Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm not going to do any more there because we could graze the ear canal wall. It's very sensitive deep in the ear.
Yeah.
The ear's just a bit wet and damp because of the drops you've been using. That will dry out, but yeah, the eardrum looks fine otherwise.
Lovely. So no infection then? You don't
No, it doesn't look like any
No.
infection there at all. No,
Just blocks.
it's just the wax, unfortunately.
Is that it?
That's the wax.
Oh my god. No wonder we couldn't get it out with olive oil.
Yeah.
That's solid, isn't it?
It was, and when you've got that amount of wax, the oil or any softening agent will just soften the wax. It's not going to remove it.
No.
Now that we've got the wax out, you can use drops regularly as a rinsing agent. So before the wax builds up and collects, you put the drops in, tilt your head completely to the side for 5 minutes, and then come back the other way and let the drops ooze out to rinse out of your ear. We recommend olive oil drops because that's a natural lubricant, so it will just facilitate the natural migration of wax. Olive oil is slightly acidic, so it's a similar pH to earwax in the ear. Some other drops are more alkaline based, and some people can develop a bit of irritation with those. So olive oil is the best stuff. That's what I normally recommend. Comes with a spray nozzle, so it's easy to apply in the ear. So we'll get you stood up, spun around, and we'll do the other side.
Okay.
Feel better?
Yeah, it just feels a bit weird. Isn't that strange?
I think once we get this side out, you'll have more balance, more equilibrium. So you probably feel a bit more blocked on this side now?
Yeah, I do.
So if you look straight ahead again, I'm going to tilt your head just over towards your right. So. Let's say the lump of wax in this ear is larger than the other one, but it wasn't against your eardrum, so that's why it wasn't as affecting you as much.
Oh my god. That's debris.
I can't believe that.
So let's make sure we've got all that out for you.
So you must be able to hear awesome.
Yeah, you've got to be careful what you say now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stop the whispering.
Okay, we've just got a little bit of soft wax at the base of the ear canal. Let's see if we can just remove that for you. Leave the rest of that, because if we try and get that, it's just going to graze your ear canal.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, the eardrum's nice and healthy. How
Yeah.
are you feeling?
Oh, weird.
Good weird, bad weird?
Good weird.
That's good. That's what we like to hear.
Yeah. I can't believe that. That is disgusting.
So you can see that's been in there for a while. You can tell by the colour. It's got a
Yeah.
bit dark. So earwax is normally a light brown, and the longer it's been in the ear, it oxidises and becomes kind of
And it's
like an
funny
apple
that
or
obviously
avocado
that's
sounds
massive and that's not, but it's just that was on my eardrum.
That's exactly the reason, yeah. So sometimes it's not the quantity of wax, it's the location. And with your your right side, it was compressed against the eardrum, so it's affecting you more. All done?
Lovely, thank you very, very much.
You're welcome.